An implant is a treatment that we can use to replace a tooth. Patients are able to replace their teeth, and it's a fixed replacement. You don't have to take it in and out. It's made by titanium. It's a surgical procedure, so we remove the tooth and we place the implant exactly where the previous tooth was placed, and in that way we're able to replace, the missing tooth that the patient lost. I always tell my patients, I know implants sometimes can be expensive, but it's worth get your tooth replaced because more problems can happen. Once you lose a tooth, more teeth they will start falling off. Crowding can happen, mobility of other teeth can happen because there's space, now there for teeth to move and shift. Your bite can also collapse on that area. And eventually you could also lose the opposing tooth, from the tooth that you're missing. So more things can happen for sure.